What is biohacking? What if you could upgrade your own body the same way you upgrade a smartphone? Better performance, longer battery life, sharper focus. That idea sits at the core of biohacking. Biohacking is the practice of making small, strategic changes to your lifestyle, biology, or environment to improve how your body and brain function. Some people call it do-it-yourself biology, while others see it as personal optimization taken seriously. At its simplest level, biohacking can mean tracking your sleep, adjusting your diet, or experimenting with fasting to see how your body reacts. Things like cold showers, breath work, or cutting sugar aren't extreme. They're basic forms of biohacking. The goal is feedback. Try something, measure the result, and adjust. But biohacking doesn't stop there. More advanced biohackers use wearable devices to monitor heart rate variability, glucose levels, or brain waves. Some experiment with supplements called nootropics to improve focus and memory. Others explore light therapy, red light exposure, or precise timing of meals to influence hormones and energy levels. There's also a controversial side. Some biohackers implant microchips under their skin to unlock doors or store data. Others experiment with gene editing tools or unregulated substances. This is where biohacking shifts from lifestyle optimization to ethical and medical debate. So why has biohacking become so popular? Part of the reason is control. In a world where healthcare often reacts to illness, biohacking promises prevention. Instead of waiting to get sick, people want to actively design their own health. However, biohacking isn't magic. Not every hack works for everybody, and some trends are based more on hype than science. Without proper knowledge, experimentation can backfire. In the end, biohacking is about curiosity. It's about asking a simple question: what happens if I change this? Whether that change is going to bed earlier or implanting technology into your body depends on how far you're willing to go. Biohacking isn't the future of humanity. It's the present, already happening, quietly rewriting how we think about health, performance, and human potential.